what we saw, Sharon is event, and actually po suot po niya yung ring na binigay niyo sa kanya ng pansin din ng fans. Siguro, what can you say na parang ganun, is it a sign na you're still
I think yung pagbibigay ng ring is very powerful. Mas lalo na siguro kung ML rin yun. Makakatulog ka ng mabuti. Pero okay naman yung nangyari sa amin. In fact, yung umpisa ng Dear Heart was a good thing for us because it renewed friendships. So from that point on until now, natutuwa ako because nakikita ko rin sa reels niya, yung mga nagpapadala sa akin, na parati niyang hawak yung ring. So thank you very much for cherishing that friendship ring.
Ayun. In terms of wellness with your family life po, siguro ano yung mga favorite quality time mo with your kids or your family?
Like the other day, tinuruan ko yung anak kong magmaneho. So, nasa Batangas na kami, sa Lubo. So, meron akong one whole day na wala kaming ginawa kundi magmaneho. Sinusubukan namin magmaneho ng stick shift kasi nagiging hindi na uso ngayon yung stick shift. Pero gusto siyang matuto ng stick shift para alam niya yung mechanics ng gearing. Ayan. So, yun lang. Most of the time naman sa beach lang kami. Yun lang ang aking happy place. You know, that keeps me pay.
How are you as an instructor with your mom?
I'm very patient. And mas gusto kong ako na lang yung magturo. Kasi this way marami siyang matatanong. Sinabi nga niya sa akin, it's better that you taught me because pagka nasa instructor, mahiya siya magtanong. So, at least, okay. I'm enjoying it. Kulang pa nga, nabitin ako eh. So, kahapon nagpunta siya ng Punta Fuego with her friends. And nabitin ako. Ako yung nabitin, hindi siya. I wanted to spend more time. You're welcome.
Yes, thank you so much. I-clarify na natin ang tag po ni Sir Gabby ay Wellness Champion. Yes, not endorser. Wellness Champion and Ambassador because more than an endorser, he lives and breathes MWell. Ayan. Pero may next question po tayo, phone in from Tito Joe. Pinapatanong po niya, what were your thoughts when you turned 40? Yes!
Yes, last year?
Yes!
Alam niyo yung midlife crisis, actually hindi ko pa I don't think nararanasan ko pa yun. Gusto ko ngang maranasan yun kasi I don't know what that feels. Can somebody explain ano yung midlife crisis in a nutshell?
May confusion sa life, sa ano gustong gawin.
Wala pa naman, okay ako eh. Siguro dahil I take things lightly, hindi ko dinidibdib, no? You know. And so far, lahat naman ng ginagawa ko, ulit-ulit lang ako, no? So, naalala ko lang yung sinasabi ng father ko na diyan ka na lang din gawin mo na in anything. So ginagaling ko, I'm not always successful in it, pero I try. You know. Pero at least I know I do it all.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's nice. And yung follow-up lang po doon, what are your thoughts? Now, of course, your first, yung panganay niyo po, turned 40. Or is turning 40. Is turning 40.
Akala ko nga, 20 lang siya eh. May nagtatanong sa akin, ilan taon na si... Sabi ko, 21, 22, parang kung compute nila, di ba? Nanganak to yun ng 20 ka, so mga 41. So, sakto pa rin. Di ba? Yeah. So, ano pa rin? Hindi ko siya tinitignan na ganong age. Ang tingin ko sa kanya parang ano pa rin 10 years old. So, yeah. I don't think they ever grow up in your mind, you know. They will always be my baby. You will always be my baby.
May plans na kayo for the big celebration?
For her, what celebration?
For her turning 40, syempre milestone din yun para sa inyo sa parent.
Wala nga siyang binanggit eh, so hindi ko rin, wala sa isip ko yun. Hindi niya binabanggit. Madalas lang sinasabi, let's go to Batangas. Quality time.
Thank you so much. And of course, next question from Natalie Tomada.
Yes, Natalie.
Sir Gabby.
Yes,
Sir, ano lang, kasi mga girls yung mga, di ba, yung anak mo. So, ano mga...
Ewan ko lang, may girl.
Sure naman tayo.
Oh, sure na.
Ano lagi mong ina-advise about love and wellness na rin?
Ah.
Pero love muna.
Oh, well, of course, no. Ako, anything can happen to me. I can talk about all the good things about health, pero meron din pwedeng mangyari sa akin. But life is short, so kailangan natin gawin the best we can while we have the time. Ayaw naman natin magsisi one day at sabihin natin sa sarili natin, I should, I would, I could. So ngayon pa lang kung ano yung pwede natin gawin to lengthen or to avoid yung mga pwedeng mangyari sa atin. Alam na natin yun siguro, unless you don't think about it. At least meron tayong mga stuff like this at saka yung lumalabas na kung dapat yung kainin, what you should and shouldn't do. Yun ang madalas na sinasabi ko sa kanila. If you're gonna love somebody, it's, loving is part of life. You need to feel that. If you don't, medyo iba ka. But it would be nice also for you to have that feeling. All out mo na, and if anything happens, that's all part of the cycle. And although, medyo gusto mo maging selfish ng konti, if the guy loves you more than you love him, that's for me better, no? But love is both ways, two ways, and the door swings both ways. So I don't know what your relationship is gonna be with that guy, or girl, kung sino man. Pero whatever it is, you have to enjoy that moment. Be happy lang, always be happy.
Pero kung may ideal guy ka pa lalo na kay Casey.
Ang importante lang sa akin, kasi hindi naman ako ang liligawan. And mayroon sometimes yung parents ang nililigawan.
May special kasi di ba usually the eldest and...
It would be nice kung yung guy magalang, parang at the point na parang hiniligawan ka rin. Kasi sarap ng feeling, 100 points ng batang to. Di ba? Good morning, sir. Sir, I just want you to know that going out with your daughter, I mean well for her. Okay, 100 points ito. 100 points ito. Ganon. So, siyempre kung ako rin, halimbawa, liligaw ako ng nahihiya naman ako sabihin sa magulang niya, di ba? Pero once na makilala ko ng harapan ng ganon, I'll find that courage to tell the father that I never did that kasi diba? Masyadong malayo. But pag nakilala mo naman medyo humble ako. Yes. Pero once na, ito advice ko lang sa mga guys, pag sinabi ninyo sa father ng mga liniligawan ninyo, 100 points kayo. For sure.
So may 100 points na sa'yo?
Actually, meron. Noon.
No?
Oo.
Sino daw?
Non-showbiz.
Sports. Nasa sports.
Mabait siya. Mabait. Sana, nasa all na. Sana lahat na lumiligaw sa anak mo, gano'n. Malilito ka ngayon, di ba? Dahil lahat, tells them that, tells you that they mean well. But I think that's the secret.
Hindi ko pa rin nakapatakot na father, future father.
No. Kung minsan nga, napapari ko sila eh. Pare, first name. Kasi I feel relaxed with them. And I want them to, para they can take care of my children. So, anyway.
Thank you so much. Next up, we have Tito Bobby. Yes, to ask his question.
Hi, Bob.
Hi, good afternoon, Gab. Gab, two questions. Number one, at this point, you're still active, successful. Ano pa bang gusto mong gawin na hindi mo pa nagagawa?
Marami nang bida sa akin to run for politics. Yeah. I am not, hindi ko rally to. But I'm here not to promote any politician, but to promote or to share yung capacity ng wellness, what it can do for all of us. Yan ang advocacy ko. So pagdating ng panahon, huwag lang tayo uunahan. Baka ako pa ang maging party list ng MWEL party list. Biro lang. But I don't mind sharing the benefits of what these gadgets can do. It's not only this gadget, actually this is just one part of the umbrella of MVP. So napakarami nilang ginagawa, and it's all really geared to everybody to get the chance, for me, to get the chance to have a better medical and health opportunity. That's what it is for MVP.
Sa politics?
And my next, okay, hindi ko nasagot, it was actually a dream once upon a time. But hindi ko tinuloy because I didn't find the urge. But if something like this comes around, it would be nice because alam mo makakatulong ka.
So,
And
dito
may budget kasi para dun eh. May budget para dun. But it's very, very sensitive right now yung politics. Mahirap kasi naghahati ang sa politics tsaka regular life. Mas gusto ko yung tahimik na buhay. Although I wanted to become a pilot. That's what I would have wanted. Or that's what I would have been. But then again, I have a problem eh. May colorblind ako. So right now, I take in anything that comes my way. Kahit na anong dumating, I see if I can learn it, initin ako kung okay para sa akin, kung kamakakayanan ko. Wala ako talagang hinangad, maliban dun sa tatlo na yun. Dentistry, flying, and real estate. Yun lang ang gusto kong gawin sa buhay. Acting, like I mentioned before, no? Acting, showbiz, singing, wala yan. It wasn't part of my, it wasn't in my bucket list.
Last question, guys. When you're not busy, what's a regular day for you? Like, what do you do?
Oh, yeah, you'll find me in the nature, beach, naked. No, nakedly happy. Sa beach kasi, di ba, marami, di ba?
Yes.
Nakedly happy. So,
Nature lover.
ano? Naked, gusto mo rin, ha? Nakedly happy.
Some beach.
Ang beach? Pumata ka? Pumata ka? Ha? Hindi, sa ano lang naman ako, sa lubo lang. Lubo lang naman ako. Hubo sa lubo. Yan ang sinasabi nila. Hubo sa lubo. Pero, kayo, mga grupo natin, if you want to go, let's talk about LAR, no? Pag-usapan natin, so we can all go, di ba? Isa lang ang requirement doon sa lubo, pagpasok mo. Yan,
Hubo.
Bago makapasok na, hindi. Alright, let's do this para masaya tayo. Life is short, di ba? We enjoy every moment. Like I said, kung pwede ko lang tatluin ang buhay ko, parang 3 terms lang, di ba? I have 3 lifetimes, di ba? Yun. With this, maybe it will help, you know?
Thank you, Gab.
Yes.
Next po si Miss Marilyn.
Yeah. Kamusta ulit?
So yung yung tag po nito is healthy is the new handsome. Yun po yung campaign. At ngayon po nasa 40s na po kayo. Nabago na po ba yung definition nyo of yung attractiveness of good looks? At paano po nabago?
Ako, I think ang real handsome about wellness is your health. Yun lang talaga yun. It's really not the looks, but how you feel. So if you feel good, siguro, it vibrates. So lahat naman ng paraan ngayon ng medicine na di ba, na extend ang ating buhay, yung mga gamot na nakakabuti, marami na silang experiments ngayon, unlike many years ago. So we know what works for us. Biski sa pagkain, we know what works for us. Ang daming information ngayon sa internet about good health, di ba? What to do and what not to do. And back to your question.
Nabago na ba yung, na-redefine na ba yung meaning mo na definition ng attractiveness?
Yeah.
Now that you are 40.
Yeah. That's it, my interpretation now of looking good or being handsome is actually your health being handsome and looking good. Yun ang mga bagong definitions ko.
So, beyond physical looks, open up po kasi yung mga tao about talking about yung mental health issues. Was there ever a point in your life that you had to deal with some? Ito, paano po ninyo na-overcome?
Mental health issues. Oh, by the way, this one has also, what do you call this? It's not a program, but it is part of the watch, the package. That it's called Mind Health, and it's personal. You don't have to tell anybody. You just put in there how you feel, what you did during the day, and it will give you an assessment of what you feel or what you should do and all of that. Yeah, ang galing. I'm sure they talked about this already. Mayroong mga a roster of doctors that you can get in touch with if you don't know anybody. It's all in the app. So you have a personal choice of who your doctors are. Wala kang ma-contact, there is a number there. You want to email somebody, you can email them, And personal talaga to eh. You can say anything you want about how you feel, and there's that mental, this is an actual doctor.
Anywhere in the world, kahit nasa may sasagot.
So So,
So
yun
that's
nga po.
it's about my future.
So, was there ever a point in your life na you had to deal with mental health issues? At paano niyo po siya na-overcome?
Wala naman akong naisip na kailangan ako ng mental health. Ang kailangan ko talaga yung love like health eh.
Wow.
That's right. Oo, marupok ako eh.
Ayun.
Ang pusong mamon. Ayun, yun ang ating weakness talaga.
Meron din po ba nun sa watch?
Ay, yun ang hindi ko makita sa watch. Yun ang hinahanap ko. Oo. Oh, by the way, kanina, di ba, sabi ko, yung mga isa pang wala dito is diabetes. Wala pang technology ngayon, but I think they're looking into one. Sabi ko, as soon as they find that, kukunin natin
Blood
technology
sugar.
ngayon para yes, check our sugar. Pag masyado tayong sweet, di ba, tumataas ang ating sugar. At yun, so far ako wala pa naman. But I would like to have that feature kaysa turo ka ng turok, di ba? At marami sa ating gano'n eh. Turok medyo mahal, masakit, di ba? Pupunta ka pa sa drugstore, di ba, titimplahin mo pa. In this case, you know, we can get a barometer, no, whatever, para malaman natin kung we're close or far away from it. And then you can, pwede kang kumuha ng kung meron pang natitirang turok, hindi kumpara natin yung pareho. Kung minsan yan, it's off by 5 points and all that. But at least it's close. Katulad ng BP, nasubukan ko na yan. Yung BP ng nurse, tsaka yung BP nito. BP's always change. And ang difference for me is 5 points lang. So, ba't mo hindi paniniwalaan? It's not an exact science, but at least it's, meron tayong gauge. Yeah.
Thank you.
Love it.
Thank you, si Tito Lar. Sige na tayo sa tanong.
Gab, meron ka bang mga must-haves when it comes to vitamins?
Oh yeah, lately I've been watching and reading about magnesium. Magnesium is something that we ignore and it's never out there. Of course, vitamin C, the body doesn't produce vitamin C, so tuloy-tuloy yan. 1,6,12, okay, we know the vitamin B6, 1,12, it's for nerves and all that. Marami, no? There's omega-3, but in omega-3 you need to get that, I feel, no? That's my opinion, sa fish talaga. Talagang isda, not yung mga foods. May pwedeng, collagen, pero ang collagen kasi you can get that from live, di ba, animals. Kung di ko makain ng beef, well, ang beef, yung bone marrow nun, that's all collagen. Tapos yung pag umu-order ka sa restaurant, no? Yung ang tawag doon, collagen din yun eh. Chicken feet also, collagen yung laman nun. Of course, no? Kung wala kang sunlight, you don't see the sun often, sabi nila masama daw yung sunlight. Sana babasa natin at sana papanood natin after sunlight is actually good. When we were young, our parents would say, oh, morning sun, vitamin D. Diba? Or late afternoon sun, pwede yan. But even now, people say yung 12 noon, pad sun daw yan, it's actually good, di ba? Well, yun ang sabi nila, I don't know. So, a little bit of everything siguro, okay lang, wag lang sagaran. No? Anything naman, it's bad. Alcohol nga, okay din eh. Alcohol. Pag may sugat ka, rabing alcohol. Oh, diba? Okay din. Ethyl alcohol. Siyempre. May sugat. Pwede na.
Thank you so much,
Naitawid.
Tito Lar. Si Tito Abet, lilipat na po ako ng
Table.
mesa. Para sa kanila mga katanungan, Tito Bob, excuse me lang po. Sorry.
Compatible.
Opo.
Hello, yun. Ano ba tatanong?
Compatible.
So, sundan ko na lang yung sa politika kasi sabi mo kanina, although sinabi mo na inactive ka right now. I'm sure may mga kaibigan ka, kilala o kaanak siguro na nasa politics. Gaano ba socially aware niyo ng isang Gabby Concepcion considering na may ganito pang focus on health?
Every time naman merong tumatakbo, tinitignan natin kung ano nangyari. Maski hindi election time, nakikita natin yung mga ginagawa ng mga politiko. Sometimes we're favorable, sometimes we're not. Kaya nga merong, di ba, malabag sa current. And gano'n naman talaga eh. Pag merong tumatakbo, kalabanin ng, kabila. Kasi nakikita naman nila kung ano yung ginagawa niya tama, ano yung hindi. So, marami ding nang bumida sa akin to run. Pero the reason for running kasi is still questionable to me. Hindi pa siya solid. Like I said nga, kung meron kang advocacy talaga na gusto mong iparating sa tao, Ang party list kasi sa pagkakaintindi ko, siyempre that's nationwide. Hindi kakayanin lang lahat ng mga local government, no? At saka yung mga district congressmen, yung mga budget na hinihingi ng mga ibang tao, especially yung the poorest of the poor. So, kaya iba-ibang party list because they cater to different people that need that kind of help. So it really all depends on kung talagang nakakaabot. Yun lang, nakakaabot pa talaga. So, everybody should be doing the job well, and guys, when you're voting this election time, talagang vote for the people we believe. Yeah, correct.
Speaking of being your wellness champion at saka advocate nito sa MOL, gaano ka ka-ready na kasi yung mga products ng MOL hindi na walang physical store eh. So I'm sure mga seminars na gagawin, mga talks na magiging available ka ba yung ng MOL pag in-invite ka sa mga different locations?
May taping nga kami, mag-umpisa na kami, we're gonna be busy. Our taping is 4 times a week. Sinabi ko rin naman sa kanila if I'm available sa mga mga tours nila. Yeah, sure, of course, pwede ako sumama.
Kasi ang galing mo mag-explain parang doktor na doon.
I can only share, no? I don't know the total mechanics. Pero dapat pag-alaala mo talaga yung synchronization ng watch mo at saka yung phone mo. Maganda yung maganda ang benefits niya if you know what you're doing. You don't have to be too it doesn't have to be too complicated. Tatlo lang hahanapin mo talaga eh. Diba yung nabanggit sa kanina. Pero there is more. Pwedeng yung exercise pag naglalakad ka, bibilangin mo yung steps mo. Na meron din yan yung iba. Pero ngayon, like I said, ang ML lumabas dito, yung sing-sing na wala ang iba. Kung gusto mong malaman yung tulog mo, it's just an additional dun sa gusto mong mangyari. Kung tama ba yung tulog, wala namang makapagsabi sa'yo kung tama yung tulog mo, di ba? Wala talaga. Miski katabi mo, hindi niya masasabi kung ilang oras ka natulog. Ito ang tunay. Sa pagkakaalam ko, hindi ko man alam hindi naman ako scientist para alamin kung tama ito eh. Pero may guide ka lang.
Pa-cute na tanong. Sa tingin mo ba na-inspire sa'yo si Mega na binigyan mo siya ng niya? Kasi ang laki ng ginanda ng katawan si Mexi.
Sisiguraduhin ko na makakuha siya ng ML ring para maging masarap. Tulog. At saka ng relo so that she can tell the time. Anong oras siya dapat mag-exercise.
Payat na siya ngayon. Nakita mo na ba?
Anong oras niya ako dapat tawagan.
Nakita mo na siya ngayon. Nakita mo na yung gandang katawan at sex.
Not in person.
Sa picture.
Picture, mga gano'n. Pero hindi pa naka-two-piece ha. Ano lang.
Kakaloka ka.
Hindi sa hinangat ko, pero sinasabi ko lang. Hindi ko pa siya narinig.
Okay. Maraming salamat pala doon sa birthday greetings video na sinari mo for me.
Thank you po, Tito
May
Bel.
pahabol ito si Leia.
Opo, room for the last question.
Yes,
So, raffle po tayo after.
Hi, Gabi.
Yes, sir.
You mentioned that you will be taping for a teleserye until November.
Yes.
So walang time for a movie this year from your end? Or may offers?
Pinag-uusapan niyo na there is no story like what happened the last time. I think 3 story yung na hindi ako because ang importante kasi sa akin it's not because may time kayong gawin yung pelikula. I think it's more on the story. No, it's not a thing. I know it's the story. Ang story talaga nagdadala naman ng pelikula. So pagka maganda yung story, may kilig factor, may factor, then we continue. Pero yung unang basa mo tapos wala kang makita, it has to be revised. And that's what I always, when pag nagkakaroon kami ng story conference, request ko yun. And then revise and then they show it again. So at least merong laman. Although of course marami ang GMA, they're fantastic when it comes to stories. Pero parang dagdag na lang kung tatanggapin.
Will you agree, ginawa mo lang kasi yung mga May-December affair before with the younger actresses, diba? So will you agree for another story like that again?
I don't choose who I want to be with. Sila ang gumagawa. And
If there's an offer.
if there's an offer,
Yes.
lahat ng role tinatanggap ko naman.
Kasi hindi talagang pwede ka pa for a May-December affair. So talagang,
Yes.
ideally, yes.
Oo. Importante rin ang role sa pelikula. But really, most importantly is the story. Story muna ako. I don't have to play the lead, basta maganda yung story.
Thank you very much.
Pahabol nga ako isa lang. Since sinabi mo nakakapag-request kapag gagawa ka ng teleserye or what, kaya mo bang i-request na ma-incorporate sa mga project na gagawin yung ganito classic advocacy? Yung health, etc.
Oh yeah, we can, pwedeng pag-usapan. Depende lang anong direksyon ng kanilang tema. Baka mamaya lihis na lihis.
Thank you, sure.
Alright.